Mastering possessive pronouns. Filling in the blanks. Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of possessive pronouns as used in relative clauses. This is an essential aspect of the English language, particularly when we want to demonstrate ownership or association. To make sure we fully grasp this topic, we'll work on some fill-in-the-blank exercises. Let's get started. First off, let's take a moment to review what possessive pronouns are. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership or belonging. They include words like mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. For example, in the sentence, "The book is mine," mine is a possessive pronoun that shows the book belongs to me. Now, how do we use these in relative clauses? Relative clauses give us more information about the subject of the sentence. They often follow the subject and are introduced by a relative pronoun. When using possessive pronouns in relative clauses, we use them to refer back to something or someone mentioned earlier. For example, I have a brother. His name is John. Could be combined into I have a brother, whose name is John. Here, whose is a relative pronoun showing possession. To understand this better, let's dive into some exercises. 1. I have a friend. Blank. Car is really fast. 2. This is the boy. Blank. Mother is a teacher. 3. She's the woman. Blank. Ideas changed the world. Take your time, and when you're ready, let's look at the answers. 1. I have a friend whose car is really fast. 2. This is the boy whose mother is a teacher. 3. She's the woman whose ideas changed the world. Let's practice a bit more. Remember, practice makes perfect. 1. They're the scientists. Blank. Research helped cure the disease. 2. He's the author. Blank. Books have sold millions of copies. 3. That's the company. Blank. Profits have tripled this year. And the answers are 1. They're the scientists whose research helped cure the disease. 2. He's the author whose books have sold millions of copies. 3. That's the company whose profits have tripled this year. Great job on making it through those exercises. I hope this video has helped clarify how to use possessive pronouns in relative clauses. Practice these sentences and try making some of your own. Remember, English learning is a journey and every step counts. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next video.